Hello everyone! In today's design class we're going to look at how to make an interactive pop-up in Mockplus by using sub-artboards. Let's dive right in. Firstly, let's see how users usually create interactive pop-ups without sub-artboards. We group all the pop-up content together and make sure the pop-up group is off the main artboard. Then we set the trigger that will open the pop-up. Select the component that you want to use as a trigger and drag the link point, the small red dot, to the content panel. Set the trigger as click. Set the command as show hide and select show, easing linear, duration 500 milliseconds, delay 300 milliseconds. To close the pop-up, find your close trigger, in this case the cross, and link it to the content panel. Customize the settings as you like, but choose hide this time and press OK. Hide the pop-up group, then drag and position the pop-up on the main artboard, and that's it. Let's take a look. This is simple, but there are a few problems. The pop-up window is placed on top of the main artboard, and it gets in the way of editing. If you need to edit anything underneath the pop-up, you need to move it away. Also, if you need to edit any component in the pop-up, you need to unhide the pop-up in the property panel. Finally, because this is simply an unhiding or hiding of content, you can't customize the interactions and animations. Let's see how you can fix all of these problems by using a sub-artboard to create an interactive pop-up. Press this button here and make a sub-artboard. Again, let's group the content and drag the pop-up content into the sub-artboard. Then adjust it how you like. As these are different artboards, this is how the prototype looks without the interaction. So we need to link the main artboard with the sub-artboard. To make this pop up, link the trigger component, in this case the book component, to the sub-artboard. Remember, this is to the sub-artboard, not the content of the sub-artboard. Now we apply a mask to the sub-artboard, so the contents of this sub-artboard will now appear on top of the main artboard. We can customize the color and transparency of the mask, along with the easing effect. Now you can see an overlay of the mask on top of the main artboard. You can use this overlay to see and position the pop-up where you want. The mask will be invisible when being used. Next, create a trigger to close the pop-up. Here we will use the cross component and drag it to the sub-artboard to close. Now when we click either the mask or the cross, the pop-up will close. Select the component that triggers the pop-up window display and adjust the position to top. Click to confirm and enter the demo again. Now the pop-up will move in and out from the top. Let's try bringing in the pop-up from the left as well. Importantly, the sub-artboard will not get in the way of your main artboard, and you can still edit the content of your pop-up easily. And that's how you can create pop-ups for your designs and prototypes, made simple with Mockplus. Thanks for watching this video, and we look forward to seeing you in the next design class with Mockplus.